All right, safety first. Goggles on.
No, sunglasses!
My apologies. Sunglasses on. Let's roll. It's Dr. Matt Agnew here, and welcome to another episode of Why Though, the show for little scientists who love asking big questions.
Why
All right, quick check. Have you ever walked outside on a bright sunny day and then, out of nowhere, achoo! No dust, no pepper, no cat fluff, just sunshine and a sneeze. If that's you, congratulations. You might have sun sneezes. Just like me, I get them too. And it's so weird because your nose is like, I'm fine. And your face is like, sneeze time. Scientists have noticed this and gave it a ridiculously long name. Autosomal dominant compelling helio-ophthalmic outburst. Autosomal dominant compelling helio-ophthalmic outburst. Close enough. Luckily for you, they also call it achoo syndrome. Can we all do that? Achoo syndrome. But before we solve the sunshine mystery, what even is a sneeze? Sneezing is your body's nose cleaning button. Inside your nostrils is a special lining called the mucous membrane. Think of it like a sticky shield that catches dust, germs, smoke, pepper, anything annoying. When something tickles that lining, your body goes, nope, and it blasts the air out like a tiny nose cannon. Achoo! Some people do one huge sneeze. Achoo! Some people do a whole lot in a row. Achoo! Everyone is different, and it's perfectly normal. But sunlight isn't dust. It's not pollen, it's not a germ. So why would light make you sneeze? Here is where it gets tricky. Scientists are still working this out, but here's their best guess. When bright sunlight hits your eyes send a message to your brain that says, whoa, that's really bright. Now your brain is like a big control room with lots of wires and buttons. One button is for blink, squint. When your eyes get blasted by bright light, you press that button. Another button is for sneeze. When your nose feels tickly, that button gets pressed. For some people, those two buttons are sitting really close together. So when the brain slaps blink, squint, it accidentally bumps sneeze too. So you sneeze, even though your nose wasn't tickly at all. It's basically like your brain goes, bright light, and then by accident, and sneeze. And you're standing there like, wait, what? And then, achoo! Why do only some people sneeze in bright light? Only about 1 in 4 people get sun sneezes. That's not many. And it can run in families because it's linked to your genes. Genes help decide things like eye colour, height, and whether sunshine makes you go, achoo. Try this at home. Ask someone, do you sneeze in the sun? You might find you've got a whole family of sun sneezes. A sun sneeze is dangerous. The good news is that sun sneezes won't hurt you. They're just kind of annoying. Sneezes can make you blink and cause accidents though. So if you're riding your bike or crossing the street, just make sure you stop before your face goes, achoo! Thanks for joining me on today's episode of Why Though. Keep wondering, keep sneezing, and I'll see you next time. Stay curious.
Bye!
Hi, I'm Dr. Matt Agnew and I love science. It's the show for little scientists who love big questions. Every episode, we grab one big question and turn it into a science adventure. Simple, surprising, and actually fun. Come along on this big, curious science adventure with me.
Why